I'm gonna teach you guys how to get Sheppard Air. You guys might wonder that. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michael Shu, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get Sheppard Air. You guys might be wondering, what is Sheppard Air? Well, Sheppard Air is a tool to help all of you guys pass your FAA written exam with high scores. However, it only starts with the instrument level, so it doesn't have it for the private pilot license. However, it starts for instrument, commercial, CFI, CFII. So you guys might be wondering, you just go on the Sheppard Air website and pay online and you get it, right? Wrong. Well, you actually have to go on their website and call them and get all their information, and sometimes they won't even answer and you have to leave a message and then they'll call you back. But we're all about to do this right now. First off though, this is not sponsored by Sheppard Air. However, Sheppard Air, if you are watching this, let's collab together. So the number to call is 940-642-4945. Now let's give them a call right now. Put it on speaker. Sometimes they purposely don't answer, so you leave them a message to see how much you want it. You have to really want it.
This is Sheppard Air. You have reached us during a busy period and we would hate to keep you on hold. For fastest service, leave a message now to save your place in line instead of calling back. We return all messages in the order received before we begin answering inbound calls again. So leave a message now with your phone number, even if it's an international number, and we will call you back shortly. Please record your message now. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Michael Shu. Phone number. Wanting the commercial airplane help test. Thank you. Excited to hear back from you soon. Bye. See, so sometimes they purposely don't answer your call, so you leave a message, like I said, to see if you really want it or not, and in about a few minutes they'll call me back. And another thing to notice is that you cannot have 2 subscriptions at a time. So just last month I bought my instrument written exam, and now I'm gonna buy my commercial written exam. However, I can't have them together at the same time. As soon as I buy the commercial one, my instrument will be unsubscribed. So that's something to keep in mind. And now I guess we just keep on waiting until they decide to call me back. Alright, so they're calling me back right now, and that was only 2 minutes, so. Wait, sorry, so you say that again?
This is Megan with Sheppard Air, returning your call.
Hi Megan.
Hi, so I got your message and you said you wanted to sign up for the commercial airplane course.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And can you confirm the email address we have on file for you?
Email address is toa_mike@hotmail.com.
Alright, and did you get the instrument ready written exam taken?
I did.
Good, and what did you score on that?
80.
Good, congratulations on getting that test taken.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So the commercial for airplane course, the CAX, will be a $45 subscription.
Okay.
And it looks like we have a visa on file ending in. Does that one work for you today?
Yep, that one works for me today.
Alright, and then I just have a briefing to get you started, okay?
Okay.
I also like before you can study on one device, a Windows, Mac, or iPad. To begin, you have to activate the course at sheppardair.com.
Okay.
So log into the website with the new username and password I will email you. Once you log in, just make sure to follow the install checklist. It'll have you do the 5 minutes of reading before you begin studying. That reading will include the Magic Study Strategy.
The Magic Study Strategy. Ooh, okay.
Just make sure to follow the study strategy carefully, or you will just be wasting your study time, okay?
Okay.
Your subscription is good up until you take the test, or for 1 year, whichever comes first. And we are here for tech and instructor support 24/7, so feel free to call anytime.
Okay.
And your username and password will be inside of your receipt. You should receive that shortly. And do you have any questions for me?
Nope.
Alright, well then you have a great night.
Thank you so much, Megan.
Thank you.
Stay safe
Bye-bye.
and healthy.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Boom. Just like that, you've got Sheppard Air. So like they said, they will email you the login and password. However, you cannot change login and password, and you can only use it on one device, whether that's your laptop, desktop, iPad, or phone. I'm not sure if you can do it on your phone, but you can only do it on one device. And like Megan said, you have to use Sheppard Air with the magic study strategy or else it won't work apparently. And there's a special way they do their strategy. They have it all written out and you just read it. I believe is that you have to go through all the questions with just the correct answer first. Once you go through all the questions with the correct answer, then you go to all the questions with all the answers, and then you kind of choose, and then whichever one you get wrong, then you mark that, and then you just go through all the questions marked wrong, I believe. So that's their magic study strategy. And they just emailed me everything, and now you have to go on the website and download the Sheppard Air app. Alright, just to show you guys what Sheppard Air looks like when you download it on your computer, it looks like this. It's a very old looking 90s program, but you got all this stuff, and then so you go to study strategy and you read this. This is the magic formula that I just told you in 3 seconds, but they really recommend that you read this before you start studying. And if you want to go to the study questions, it breaks it down into different sections. So you can see that there's the aerodynamics, engines, the regulations, general, and stuff like that. And all categories combined is 1,000 questions. Holy moly. So I would start with this, and then you can do show correct answers only. And then you hit OK. And then it brings you to a table like this, and it just goes through all the questions. So that's what Sheppard Air looks like. And if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments down below, and I'd love to answer it. And if you guys like to follow me on my Instagram, it's at MichaelHSU95. And be sure to reach out, and I'll be making more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Michael Shu out.